Hey, sister scientists, welcome back. It's Miss Hollemeyer here. We are going to be going to slide 4 in our digital energy notebook. And so we're going to start by looking at slide 4. Okay, so we have been talking about energy, asking what is energy? And we're just starting out that. Yesterday, or in the last video, we talked about what energy is, and you should have filled out the green and yellow columns here in slide 3. So we were looking at, on slide 3, we were looking at what we know already about energy, what we want to know, and we were really filling out that green and yellow column there. What we're doing today is we're going to start to define what energy is. And so I want you to be looking here at this. This is our slide 4. And you're going to go to slide 4 in your interactive digital notebook. And we're going to look specifically at what energy is. So I've included 3 videos. You can click on those videos and watch them. They are linked to YouTube and they're here, but they're also in Canvas. So if you're like, it's not working, you can find those links in Canvas. But we want to first start out by defining what energy is. And so to do this, go ahead and click up here on text box, and you're going to add a text box here. Right here. And we're asking the question of what is energy? So I'm going to choose a font that I like and is readable, and I'm going to increase the size up here to a readable size. So when we talk about energy in science, we're talking about energy being, and energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Energy, it is the ability to do work or cause change. Super important for us to be able to know what that is and define it. Okay, so I want you to make sure you have on your slide that energy is the ability to do work or cause change. We're going to keep coming back to that definition over and over again because that's really important. Okay, down here where it says the law of conservation of energy says, you can click on that box or you can add your own text here. And the law of conservation of energy, which there's a video over to on the left side, it's a song. The law of conservation of energy says that energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can only transform. So energy, it cannot be created or destroyed. It can only transform. So add those 2 notes here. And what we're going to go ahead and do next, so you're going to add, again, this to your notes. So add that. The energy is the ability to do work or cause change, and that energy cannot be created or destroyed. You are adding those 2 things on yours. You do not have to highlight them, but I just wanted to highlight so that you know those are the 2 things that you really need to add as far as notes. What you're going to do now is you're going to watch the videos. The videos that are playing, there's 3 of them. They talk about energy. And what I want you to do is you're going to watch these 3 videos, and any questions that you have that you're like, I wonder what, and you have a question, maybe it's a vocab word, maybe it's a something, you're going to add that to the yellow column here on slide 3. Okay, that's what you got to do for slides. Slide 4 is you're working on those things. You're